In this tutorial, learn to create a liquid fill logo reveal animation. After setting up your project, press Ctrl+T to select the Type tool, then type your desired text. Align the text to the center, then deselect it, and choose the Rectangle tool. Draw a shape over the text, and center it as well. Select the Selection tool, reselect the shape, then press Y to choose the Pan Behind tool. Drag the anchor point from the center to the bottom. Hold Ctrl while dragging to snap the anchor point to the vertical center line. Move the playhead to the beginning and press S with the shape selected to reveal the scale property. Click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe, unlink the values and reduce the vertical value to 20%. Move the playhead to the 3-second mark and add another keyframe. Revert the vertical value back to 100%. Now drag the whip icon of the shape layer from the Track Matte column onto the text layer. The Track Matte effect carves out a portion of a layer, exposing the layer beneath it. As you can see, the text is revealed from bottom to top as we move from the first keyframe to the second. Navigate to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Wave Warp. Double-click on it to apply it to the selected layer. After playing the animation, you'll notice that the effect creates small waves. You can adjust the wave width value to create wider waves. Duplicate the shape layer 4 times or as many times as desired. Then, change the colors of the duplicated layers. Select all the shape layers and press S to reveal the scale property. Then, select all the keyframes, right-click, navigate to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease. Move shape layers 2, 3, and 4 ahead in time so that each layer is revealed one by one without overlapping. I'll reduce the time intervals between the shape layers to bring the waves closer together. I will make slight adjustments to the wave warp effect values for each shape layer to produce a more random motion. You can also change the direction of the waves. You have successfully created the liquid fill text animation.